How to add data usage to your control center in MIUI 12.5 and above. Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable your data usage on your control center in MIUI 12.5 and above. So this here is the Poco X3 Pro, which right now is running MIUI 12.5.7 based on Android 11, and as you can see I do not have any data usage in my tile over here. Now what are the prerequisites for this video? Well, you need to be rooted using Magisk, need to have the Magisk Manager app installed. How do you root your device running MIUI 13? Video for that can be found in the description of the video. Next thing you need is two modules, which again are linked in the description of the video. So here it is, you need this MIUI data tiles by Santosh and MIUI security with data. These are the two modules which you need. So these here are your Magisk modules. So we are going to open the Magisk app, go into the modules section here and select install from storage. Then select the three bar menu on the top left, select your device's name and go to the download folder, because this is where all the modules are downloaded if you download them on your phone directly. First of all, go ahead and select this MIUI data tiles by Santosh. Now this module will take some time to install, so you have to be patient. Now, once the module has finished installing successfully, we can go back and then select install from storage one more time, and now select the MIUI security with daily data module. And once this is done installing, all you need to do is reboot your device. Back into Android, we can unlock our device and we can go back into the Magisk application, and herein we are making sure that our modules were installed and they are active. So here it is, you have the MIUI Security Center with Data by Santosh, and you also have the Data Usage Tile module. Both of them are installed and they are active. Next up, we need to open the security application. Herein look for your data usage. So here it is, data usage, and we can go into set data usage limit, and herein select your plan as the daily plan and set your daily data limit to whatever you want to set. Do note this is in GB, you can change the unit to MB as well. Select OK. And now if I access my quick settings panel, bam, there it is. You can see that I have my data usage in my MIUI control center, as easy as it gets. And there it is, peeps. That is how you enable your data, your daily data in your MIUI 12.5 or above control center. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.